Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So now I'm going to solve question number 2 of weekly contest 472 longest balanced subarray 1. Right? So let's read the problem statement. You are given an integer array nums, right? A subarray is called balanced if the number of distinct even numbers in the subarray is equal to the number of distinct odd numbers, right? We have to return the length of the longest balanced subarray. A subarray is contiguous non-empty sequence of elements within an array, right? So here, first we are dealing with the distinct even numbers and distinct odd numbers, right? And subarray is called balanced if the number of distinct even numbers in the subarray is equal to number of distinct odd numbers, right? So here, because of this word distinct, set comes to my mind first, right? So here, if you see this example number 1, this is my nums array, right? So we have 2, 5, 4, 3. All the numbers are distinct only here, right? So what I'm going to do, I'm going to create one set. Let's say this is nothing but my even set, and this is nothing but my odd set, right? So here in the even set I'm going to add the even numbers, and in the odd set I'm going to add the odd numbers, right? Clear? Right? So now here, see, for this part 1 problem, right, if you see the constant size is very small, nums dot length from 1 to 1500 only, right? And nums of I value from 1 to 10 power 5, right? Okay, so what I'm planning to do here, I'm going to fix my I here, right? I'm going to fix my I here, and then I'm going to run my j loop. So first my j is here, so this particular number is even, I'm going to add it to even set. Then my j is going to move here. Odd number, I'm going to add it to odd set. And my j moves here. 4 is even, I'm going to add it in even set. Then my j moves here. Then 3 is odd, so I'm going to add it here in odd set, right? So now here I covered all the elements until I and j, let's say, right? So now in this, if my I is here and my j is here, right? If my I is here and my j is here, then in that case, if I just give the indexing here, right? So if you see, my I is at 0 index, my j is at 3 index. Now from I to j, if you see, the size of even set is equal to size of odd set, right? That is nothing but 2 here and 2 here, right? Both sizes are matching, right? And now if I calculate the size of this particular window, right, this window is valid, right? Because the number of distinct even numbers in this subarray from I to j is equal to number of distinct odd numbers in this range I to j, right? So what is the size of this? So I can do simple one thing, j minus I plus 1 to calculate the size of this window. So j is nothing but 3 minus 0 plus 1, that is nothing but 4. 4 is the size of window, right? So this is what I can do here, right? First I am fixing my I here, then j moving like this, right? So I'm going to check this window. If this is valid window starting from this I, then I'm going to check this window starting from this I, then I'm checking this window, and then I'm going to check this window, right? I'm storing the max length. Whatever the max length, I'm going to keep update that, right? Same way, after that my I is going to start from a j here, then I'm going to check this window, then I'm going to check this window, then I'm going to check this window, then my I is going to start from here, right? So like this I can solve this problem, right? If you see example number 2, so here, if my I is here and j is here, so right now even set size here, let's say even set, and let's say this is my odd set. So now both the sets are not matching, right? Size is not matching. My j is moving here. Now both the set size are matching, so right now 3 and 2, right? This is what we have. So what is the length of this? 2. Okay, now after that my j is going to move here, so 2 is odd only, right? That's it. Even only, and it's already there, it's a set now. I'm not going to add duplicates. Then my j is going to move here, so I'm going to add here 5. Okay, this is now even and odd both are not matching, right? Set size. Then my j is going to move here 4, so now again both are matching, so I'm going to calculate the length of this window, right? So length of this window is 5, so I'm going to keep this variable, let's say max length, as 5 now. Then once this is done, then I'm moving my this I to next index I here, and then again I'm going to start from j from here like this. So in the end, whatever the max length, I'm going to return that. That's it. Okay, so that's it. See this example number 3, 1 2 3 2. So I here, then j here. Again you have to create two set, even set, odd set. In odd you are going to add 1, then j. Here you are going to add 2. Now this 1 2 is valid, right? So length of this is 2. Done. Then j is moving here, 3. 3 is odd, you are going to add 3 here, right? Now even set size and odd set size both are not matching, then your j is going to move here. So again it is not matching. So 1 2 is only valid, right? Starting from I, only 1 2 is valid, right? And everything else is not valid, right? Then see, now after that what I'm going to do, after that my I is going to start from here. So I starting from here, 2 3 2. I'm ignoring this one now. Okay, so now this I'm going to create again two new sets for this one. So 2, this is even, this is odd, right? Then 3 I'm going to add here. Then this is valid, 2 3 size is 2. Then air j, this is also valid, right? Size is 2 only, right? Because 2 is a distinct even and 3 is only a distinct odd, right? So this is valid. So the size of this is nothing but 1 2 3, right? Indexing. So 3 minus 1 plus 1, 3 minus 1 plus 1, size is 3. That's it. So this is how we need to do. That's it. So let's see the brute force of this, right? So here, calculating the length of nums array, uh, and then max length 0, and then I'm going to try all the subarrays. So first I this loop, then I'm going to initialize two set, even set and odd set, then I'm running one j loop here, right? Here j is starting from I, j is less than n, j plus plus. So I'm checking that value, and if modulus with 2 is equal to 0, then in the even set, otherwise odd set. Then if size is same, only then I'm checking the max length. That's it. So here I0, then I'm going to check for all j's, then I1, then check for all j's again starting from I, then next I, then again start from j is equal to I, and then again all values like this, and in the end I'm going to return max length. So this loop is running off n time, this loop is running off n time, nested loop. So the time compressed is going to be off n square, right? Since this is part 1 of this problem, right, and num dot length is very small, so we will be able to pass this solution, right, completely, right? So that is why here if you see solved, right, we are able to solve it, right? So that's it. So this is question number 2 of weekly contest for 7-2. If you guys still have any doubts, then please feel free to ask in comment section, and we will solve this part 2 of this problem later on, right? And I think this problem is also asked in weekly contest for 7-2, right? So meet you guys in the next video. Thank you. Bye bye.